Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn 3ds Max basic model animation tutorial. Let's start. Make a one teapot. Okay. Now this is the frames, render frames. This is the frame timelines. This is time configuration. Already have 100 frames. You can to increase, go to time configuration. This is time configuration properties. In TS, this is a playback, this is a speed value. I'm select the one. This is animation window. Make a start time and end time. End time I have to 200. Set 200. See that? Have to increase. I'm now 2000. See that? Frame I have to 2000. This is the time configuration setup. I need 100 only. I set up 100. Go to select. This is a move tool. Go to have to auto key and set key. Auto key, auto generate keys. Set key, manual setting. I'm select the set key and select a key. Go to 25 frames. Go to rotate tool. Rotate 180 degree. Select set key. See the animation, frame animation. Now go to 50 frame. Now make a little scale. Set key 0 to 25 moving, rotating, 25 to 50 scaling, and again 50 to 75 moving. This is a moving animation. Go to set key. See, this is the animation. This is a basic model animation. And going to 75 to 100 frames. Move. Again rotate 180 degree. And again scale. 3 command use same time. Set key. See the animation of the set key. Play animation. Okay, this is a model animation on basic. Okay, this is a model animation. Make another one. More interesting. Go to make another model. Go to hide. Now I make a one windmill. Cylinder. Height 15. Right click. Convert to mesh. Top. Little scroll on top page. This line. Make a fan body. is a bevel. Previous class I explained. Already I am explained bevel. Please check previous class. Today's Max basic tutorials. And the sphere, make a one sphere. This hemisphere, you decrease the half rear. Go to line, make a blade. Copy little down, copy again, copy, shift plus move, make a one clone object. Okay, this windmill is ready. Select group or rotating animation objects. Select the fan entire. I'm sorry, the wings entire. This is a group. Okay, go to move, rotate on. Little issue, have this little issue. See, not a center point. You have not center point. Yeah, center point, upon the area. Go to monitor. Effect pivot only. Effect pivot only. You select, make a move to center area. I need to center on this. Make a center. Okay, selection point is center. Now rotate. This angle not change. Clearly rotate. Okay, see. Okay, I'll go to start animation arc. Please select the wings. Go to frame, 0 frame. Make a set key. Select set key. You select the wings and set key and select the set key. Go to 50 frames. Can do rotate 180 degree or to 360. You can do use. See the rotation. Play. Yeah, fan is little fast. You can 50 frame only animation. Let's select drag to 100. See, the speed are equal. This is the medium speed. The windmill feed. go to end setup, make it 200 under frame to already selected animation. After 100, now go to start, select 100 to 200, rotate again 360, okay, go to set key, please select set key. Now go to animation, now play the animation, see windmill in running. This is now this is the model animation already done on a keyboard. Now head on, go to center, okay, both are animate. This is an easy way to model animation. This is a 3D model animation. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.